craving chocolate chip cookies after they see this.
Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So today we're going to make some chocolate chip cookies. It's been getting closer to the fall now, and even though I said before we live in the tropics, so I really don't have that feel of the fall, something in me still saying keep on going and make that comfort food. Okay, so that's what I'm doing today. So today we're going to make these delicious vegan-based chocolate chip cookies, and I'm going to show you right now how to make them. So let's get started. Be sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Oh, and also line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Okay, now let's get started. To a large bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose organic flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and be sure to sift that out to get rid of any extra clumps. A pinch of salt, and stir that all up. Set that bowl aside. In a separate bowl, add 1/4 cup of vegan butter, a half a cup of packed brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of organic sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of your favorite applesauce. Stir that all together. Gradually combine the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Fold in a half a cup of chocolate chips. You can do more or less. And I'm also going to add for this recipe about a 1/4 cup of chopped pecans. You can leave the chopped pecans out if you don't want any nuts. All right, so now we're gonna make our cookies. So I like to take 2 spoons so I can get the dough off of the other spoon. And let's do maybe about a tablespoon mounds because they spread a little bit. And be sure to line your baking sheet because it'll be so much easier to clean up, guys. And of course, if you're using a regular baking pan, then you can just get a lot done in one shot. We're gonna keep them about 2 inches apart so that they don't run into each other. All right, guys, our cookies are done, and they made 16 delicious chocolate chip cookies, and they are all vegan. Look how pretty. We already ate some previously, so, you know, I'll try it again just to let you know how it tastes. But look, the outside came out nice and crisp. I let them cook for like 12 minutes, so they came nice and brown and crisp, and look at that. Nice and ooey, and they're it's like a regular traditional cookie, except for it's vegan. It's so good. It just ain't like a cookie, which is kind of weird because, you know, you're used to putting eggs and stuff in cookies, but you don't need it here. So the applesauce took the place of the egg, okay? So it's a perfect egg replacement when you're baking, and it tastes absolutely delicious, okay? So definitely give this one a try. And share it with your family, and don't even tell them that it's vegan, okay? Just be like, here, taste this chocolate chip cookie I made. Hands down, they're gonna love it, all right? So if you like videos like this, definitely subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the bell notification so that you'll know when I upload a new video, okay? So I will see you on our next video. I am Rosa, and I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.